Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Xero for year-end tax adjustments, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Xero account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounting tab on the main dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Advanced. In the Advanced settings, click on Financial Settings. Here, locate the option for Tax Settings and click on it. Review your tax rates and ensure they are up to date for the current financial year. Next, go to the Reports section in the main menu. In the Reports section, select Accounting and then choose Balance Sheet. Review your balance sheet for any discrepancies or unrecorded transactions. Make necessary adjustments by entering any journal entries required for accurate reporting. After adjustments, return to the Reports section. This time, select Profit and Loss to confirm your income and expense entries are correct. If you spot any errors, use the Business menu to access your invoices, bills, or receipts to make corrections. When all income and expenses are verified, navigate back to the Accounting tab. Click on Reconcile to ensure all transactions have been accounted for in your bank reconciliation. Next, go to the dashboard and review the overall financial health of your business. Once satisfied, navigate to the Reports section again. Select Tax Returns to generate your year-end tax report. Review the report carefully for accuracy before finalizing. If everything looks correct, you can now file your year-end tax returns. Finally, consider scheduling a follow-up to revisit your Xero settings and ensure ongoing compliance for the next financial year. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.